In this tutorial, I have to explain how to solve the worksheet, and I have to explain the grammar about this topic. Is simple present. Use it to express habits, routines, or facts. And I have to explain how to this part. So in daily routine is activities that we can do every day. For example, brush your teeth, wash your face, dry your hair, and so on. In affirmative sentences, so for the subjects I, you, we, they, in infinitive. For example, I wake up, you woke up, we wake up, yes? And so look at the next one. So we are talking about third singular person. So there are some rules, guys, and to take in account. For example, if number one, if the ends in sh, ch, so, s, or c, at, es. Example, to watch. She washes the car. Number two, if the verbs end consonant plus y, change y by adding ies. Example, to cry. The baby cries all the time. Number three, I give the name, general rule, add s to the verbs. Example, to work. My father works hard. Okay, so you have to take account when you are talking about a third singular person. And how to make negative sentences. Subject, auxiliary, do, does, not, verb in infinitive plus complement. So you have to take in account the do when you are using subjects like I, you, we, they, thus for the pronouns he, it. So you can make the contraction, no? Does not, doesn't, do not, don't. So there are some examples. He doesn't go to school. I don't go to school. So doesn't, because it's a third singular person, no? Okay. And now I have to explain how to make interrogative sentence. So here there is the question, auxiliary, subject, verb in infinitive plus complement. So there is a example. Does Oscar wake up at 5 a.m.? Yeah, he does. No, he doesn't. In order to give short answers, if there is affirmative, so you have to take in account the subject and the auxiliary. Maybe does or maybe do. In negative, so you can use the contraction doesn't or don't according to the subject. So there is another example. Do you understand? Yes, I do. No, I don't. And there are some WH questions. What? Maybe asking for a profession or any things. Where? When you are asking for a place. When you are asking for a time. Who? Asking for people. Why? Asking for a reason. How much? Asking for a no countable nouns. And how many? Asking for a countable nouns. And how? Is the how to do something. What time? Is to say a specific time. And interrogative sentences. So the order is WH question, auxiliary, subject, verb in infinitive plus complement. What does Oscar do in the mornings? He takes a shower in the mornings. Where do you go on weekdays? I go to school every day. Weekdays refers to Monday to Friday. And remember this part, and it's who goes to school on weekdays? I go to school on weekdays. When you are using the WH question who, you don't have to use the auxiliary, and the verb goes in the as a form of the third person. So you have to add in es, maybe s or ies according to the spelling of the verb. And now I have to talk about the adverbs of frequency. It refers when how many times or how often do you do every activity, no? There is an example, they seldom study, she never smokes. And always 100%, usually 85%, often 70%, sometimes 50%, seldom 20%, and never 0%. So the adverb of frequency goes before the main verb. And the activities that you have to solve in this worksheet is there is a writing activity, so there are 10 sentences that you have to complete. There are affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences. So you have for that, so you have to review the simple present tense. And you can solve on the worksheet, or you can use the link of the activity. This is a Google Forms, no? That you have to write down your names and the date. So you have to select the option. In the reading activity, so there is a reading about Janet's daily routine. So there are 5 questions. It's a multiple choice test. You can solve on this worksheet, or you can use or solve online, no? You can solve online, so there is the link in the worksheet. Okay, so you have to select the option for you. And in this activity there is an audio about Henry's daily routine. So you have to listen to the audio. So there is an avocado, no? You have to listen to the audio. And there are 5 questions, so there is a multiple choice test, and you can solve online. So you solve online in Google Forms. So there is the audio that I can pronounce the Henry's daily routine. So you have to select whatever you want to. Speaking of it, so you have to record an audio using vocabulary.com and express your daily routine. Then paste the link of the audio, and you have to send me to the link. So you have to use a minimum 200 words, and so you have to use adverbs of frequency and adverb of time, like later, after that, then, finally. Okay? And in the worksheet there is a link that I explain how to use vocabulary.com. Okay, I think that this video can be useful for you in order to solve these activities that are on this worksheet. Okay, thank you, bye bye.